I like to show you how to tie a bow using two different colors and sizes of ribbons. Place a small ribbon on top of the wider ribbon and hold the two ribbons together. Actually, this is the same tying way as one-sided ribbon. Make a loop and the tail with a right shorter end. Just make the tail a little longer. Hold this point and wrap the box to the left with a longer end ribbon. Make sure the back is flat, then wrap it back to the front. The shorter ribbon to the right crosses under the longer ribbon to the left and pulls up to the upper right. Tie the knot tightly. Make a loop with long end ribbon on the left and squeeze it. Wrap the loop 1.5 around with the right short end ribbon. In front, tuck under the knot and then pull it out to the left. Adjust the front of the knot to show the both ribbons. To tighten, pull out the bottom side of both loops. Adjust the bow overall. Then trim all tails. This is another way to tie a nice bow. I hope you try it.